Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for departure, please check to see that your seatbelts are securely fastened, your window shades are open, seat backs are in the upright and locked position, your tray tables have been put away, all your carry-on items are securely stowed.
Hello and welcome back to a new vlog. Today we shall explore about the Peacock temple and the Digambara statue. For more updates, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon.
The Peacock temple and the Digambara statue are located at the base of the Mandaragiri Hills.
If you haven't watched our vlog about Mandaragiri Hills, you will find the link at the end of this video.
The Peacock temple is a pinchy shaped 81 feet Guru Mandir with peacock feather design and has a Jain history declared as a unique world record. This is one of the most beautifully designed meditation hall we have ever seen. The beautiful teal hues, orange feather centers, and one shining golden ring atop characterize this temple wonderfully. The colors look especially pleasant in the early morning hours. Even the gardens are so beautiful that you will feel like staying there all day long. The Guru Mandir at the Mandaragiri is open for visitors to use and meditate. Even though the doors are kept closed, there is a board at the entrance gate which displays the contact details of the attendant. You can freely call the attendant and request for the door to be opened. They also carry the keys to the temple at the top of the Basadi Betta. Sri Mukhamantapa is at the base of the Mandaragiri Hills, which has a tall statue of Chandranatha Tirthankara installed.
The statue was inaugurated in the year 2011 by Dr. Virendra Hegde, Dharmadhikari of Dharamsthala. Below the statue, there is a small temple dedicated to goddess Devi. Worship is offered every day by the local priest.
The ambience here is very peaceful, and best time to visit this place is during the sunrise or sunset.
That's all for this vlog. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, make sure you hit the like button and share the video.